The present perfect, one of the most confusing tenses in English. 25 questions. Let's find out if you really know how to use it. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. I blank never blank sushi before. Question 2. She blank in London for 5 years. Question 3. Blank you ever blank a horse? Question 4. He blank just blank his homework. Question 5. We blank each other blank we were kids. Question 6. I blank already blank that movie twice. Question 7. She blank to 3 different countries this year. Question 8. They blank married 15 years. Okay, be honest. Have you ever been in a conversation and wanted to say something in the present perfect, but ended up using the past simple instead? Yeah, we've all been there. Grammar in your head is one thing. Grammar out of your mouth is another. From Stuck to Fluent helps you close that gap. 500 real phrases you can practice and use right away. 30 days, real results. Link in the description. Question 9. He blank that book yet. Question 10. How long blank you blank at this company? Question 11. I blank my wallet. I can't find it anywhere. Question 12. She blank learning English blank 6 months ago. Question 13. We blank to that new cafe downtown. Is it any good? Question 14. He blank 3 cups of tea so far today. Question 15. This is the best pizza I blank ever blank. Question 16. Blank, it stopped raining yet? Question 17. I blank her since she moved to Australia. Question 18. He blank never blank on a helicopter. Question 19. They blank just blank from their trip to Japan. Question 20. She blank her phone 3 times this month. Question 21. How many books blank you blank this year? Question 22. I blank in this neighborhood blank I was born. Question 23. He blank to the new gym yet, but he wants to try it. Question 24. Blank you blank your sister about the surprise. Question 25. This is the 3rd time she blank late this week. That's all 25. The present perfect is tricky, but practice makes it easier. What's your score? Drop it in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss tomorrow's quiz. See you there.